Hello students, now find out the stability order of carbocation, stability order of following compounds, stability order of carbocation given following compounds. So then the first one A, that is it is cyclic structure. This is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation having this is right hand side alpha hydrogen is there, alpha carbon is there, left hand side alpha carbon. These both alpha carbons having two hydrogens. So this carbon already two bonds are there, 1 2, and left two hydrogens right side, and left side also two hydrogens. So left side alpha carbon, right side also alpha carbon. In this first compound total 4 alpha hydrogens. In this compound 4 alpha hydrogens. What about this second structure? This is CH3, that means CH3. This is also tertiary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation, this is carbocation. Next carbon is, this is alpha carbon. This carbon already two bonds are there, remaining two hydrogens here, and left side two, here already two bonds are there. This is also having two hydrogens. The positive charge next carbon alpha carbon, positive then next carbon alpha carbon, positive then next carbon is alpha carbon. Here total 3 alpha carbons are there. These 3 alpha carbons, these two carbon left side right side carbon having 2 hydrogen, total 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7. Total 7 alpha hydrogens are present. Second compound having 7 alpha hydrogen. What about third compound? This is the tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation. The tertiary carbocation beside carbon, right side carbon having alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having these two alpha hydrogens. Left hand side also two alpha hydrogens, and upper side also one alpha hydrogen. This is also one carbon is there. So this carbon 4 bonds are there. Already 3 bonds are there. Put the one hydrogen. Total number of alpha hydrogen in this structure. Total number of alpha hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 alpha hydrogens. In this compound 5 alpha hydrogens. What about in C compound? C compound, how many alpha hydrogens are there? This is a secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation beside this is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 2 alpha hydrogens, and this all beside alpha carbon. And beside carbon is the tertiary carbon is there. This is only one alpha hydrogen. This is also alpha carbon. This is only one alpha hydrogen. So total number of alpha hydrogen in D option, in D only 3 alpha hydrogens are present. So out of these 4, highest alpha hydrogen is the B is the highest alpha hydrogen. So now here A is 4 alpha hydrogen, B 7 alpha hydrogen, C 5 alpha hydrogen, D 3 alpha hydrogen. So what is the stability order of given following structures? Stability order is, now B is greater than, B is more stable than C, C is more stable than A is more stable than D. This is the stability of carbocation order, students. So stability of carbocation order is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogen, student. It is the simple trick for hyperconjugation in the stability of order. Hyperconjugation, the stability of order depends on more number of hyperconjugations are there, more stable. One saying, and more number of hyperconjugates are there, that is more stable. So stability depends on number of alpha hydrogens. And one more structure, student, one more example, student. So now here, and it is also secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation having left hand side is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 3 hydrogens, and beside this is also alpha carbon. So in first compound only 4 alpha hydrogen. What about the second compound? Here 2 alpha hydrogens, this positive charge, this is also secondary carbocation. Beside carbon only 2 alpha hydrogens, and beside carbon is tertiary carbon is there. Here also only 1 alpha hydrogen is there. Total in this B compound only 3 alpha hydrogens are present. And what about third compound? This third compound, it is the tertiary carbon. This tertiary carbon beside carbon alpha carbon, it contains 3 alpha hydrogen. Left side also CH3 group, it is also alpha carbon. This is also 3 alpha, here also 3 alpha hydrogens are there. Right side also 3 alpha hydrogens are there, and downwards it is the tertiary carbon. Here also tertiary carbon. This tertiary carbon having only 1 hydrogen. So here in this compound total number of alpha hydrogen, positive charge, here positive charge is there. This positive charge next carbon is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen, and positive charge, then left hand side carbon also alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen. So total 3 plus 3 6, and here tertiary carbon is there, 1 alpha hydrogen is there. Total 7 alpha hydrogens are present. 7 alpha hydrogens are present. So what is the stability order in this following three structures? Stability order, stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. Stability is directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogen. So here more number of alpha hydrogen present is in C compound. So C is more stable than A is more stable than B. This is the simple trick, student. Stability order, stability order directly proportional to the number of alpha hydrogen. So here C compounding 7 alpha hydrogen, A compound 4 alpha hydrogen, B compound 3 alpha hydrogen. So it is the very most important for NEET and MCET and JEE other competitive exams also. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.